the 4:18 p.m. train pulling in, going into Boston. Another hour and a half I'll be grabbing the 5:55 train into Boston for my little party tonight at the Hard Rock Cafe. But as you can see, a lot of that snow melted over this mild week. So I'm able to stand here right on my own front porch and film that train. That's the 5:18. And yes, I am standing on my front porch. I am standing at my front door. As I said, North Billerica train station right across the street. So, train starts to pull out, heading to Boston. As the sun is setting, it will be dark in about half hour, 45 minutes. There it goes. 4:18 p.m. train. Actually, 4:21, I should say. It's 5:18, 4:21. That's it. Like I said, train station right across the street from my house.